Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
Welcome to the White House, guys. Come on in. There's lots to see in here, and there's a lot to show. I'm so excited for you guys to actually visit this property. This is our virtual showing, or we could call it virtual open house. I'm so excited about this. So we'll take a step into the first bedroom over here to our left. So what you'll see is huge windows. So lots of space to look out, see everything in nature that's happening. Nice size bedroom, carpeted. Your closet's right there. You have a nice overview of what's happening out in front. And then on top of that, you have extra closet space in both sides of the room. So we'll head out to the living room area. Nice large space. When you're coming into the room, you're not met with too many crazy things. Everything in here is all wood. So you'll notice that the walls are concrete. One of the cool things about that is that keeps it cooler in the summer and hotter in the winter because you don't have to worry about so many things escaping. So you have a sunroom right here. Great place to study. Sometimes you can eat, just chill right here and just chill. That's the biggest thing right here that I love about this particular sunroom area. It gives you a nice cozy space where you can just take a load off. All right, so one of my other favorite features, no, I'll skip it. We'll come back to it. All right, let's head on into the hall. So in the main corridor, there are 5 rooms here. We'll go to our first bedroom over here. So we have a nice, one of my favorite things that I love about this particular property is you have 9-foot plus ceilings. So the cool thing about it is it matches everything with the decor, and then you have these huge old school style windows. So that's a very, very rustic charm, an old school charm that you have about this house. This house was built in 1906. So you still keep the same aesthetic while being updated to 2020. All right, so more closet space, boom. And that closet's actually a lot deeper than what meets the eye.
Wow, sure is. There's a lot of height too.
Mm-hmm. So I mean, it has to match. Like I said, it has to match this. If you want to upgrade and put stuff up there, you can. Mm-hmm. I wouldn't do it because then I wouldn't be able to get it down. All right. Let's head over to the next room, right across the hall here. So this in my opinion is the master bedroom. It's a little bit larger than the other bedrooms. All wood in the master bedroom. You have lots of storage space over here behind, and then on top of that, you have outlets on the wall, outlets on the floor. Right here. And then on top of that, let's check out this closet space. Boom. So there's lots of space. His and her, him and him. It don't really matter. It's for your family. It's perfect for you. All right. So let's mosey on out of here. So now we're in the bathroom. What I love is a very cool detail that they put the towel all around the tub. So you have a tub shower combo. They changed the vanity out up here. Come on. So they changed the vanity out over here. It was a little bit older. They brought it up to date, up to code. That that mirror is also up to code. And I love the subtle touch of this new fixture up here. All right, so you've also got space for your linens in here. Brand new toilet. And then on top of that, you got somewhere to keep your toiletries. So one other thing that I want to show you guys about this house, and this is my favorite feature about this house. Okay. I'm gonna let you step on in first.
All right. Oh man, look at all this white.
It's gonna speak for itself.
All white everything.
It's gonna speak for itself. I ain't gotta say a word about it.
All white everything.
This whole thing has been overhauled. You've got the recessed lighting up there. The paint is a whole new paint, a whole new can of paint on the walls. You got an oven here, range microwave, and we've got some wine for you once you buy it too. So we're gonna fill it up as soon as you purchase it. And then on top of that, you've got a little cabinet area here for all of your needs, all of your cooking needs here. So that's pretty much essentially everything about the inside of the house. Now let's head outside. All right. And then boom, you're met with this massive new deck on the back side of the property. So we also went ahead and seed-striped the base of it. So everything down here has been pretty much revitalized, reimagined, remastered, if you will. My favorite portion about it, look right over here.
Wow.
Check that out right there.
Great
so
view.
You get a very good overview of the city.
Okay.
You can look at everything that's happening over there.
Okay.
And just imagine you being out here, just sipping a couple drinks, having some fun with the family. You could probably be barbecuing over here, doing whatever you want to do, and just entertaining right here on this deck. So that's one of the key factors of this particular home that I think is going to sell it. This particular deck spot here and being able to see that view over yonder is what you're going to really love. Now let's go back up towards the front. I want to show you this porch. So we're going to step back out.
Okay.
And I want you to notice some subtle details about the house too. So the doors have been painted, so it's all black on the doors. The handle is brand new as well. So everything is pretty much modernized. So this porch is not just from here to here, it wraps on around.
Yeah, this is unique. This is my first time ever seeing
Oh man,
something
this house
like
is phenomenal, bro. Like, everything about it speaks classic charm with up-to-date fashion. So, and that's pretty much the entire property. Do you have any questions for me? Anything that you want to talk about?
Any questions on Facebook Live? You see? Okay. I mean, a lot of people joining in. Oh, we got 14 people so far.
Wow. Wow, well, I'm
So
excited.
let's just ask a little question.
Yeah,
I'm
go
a little
for
bit
it.
closer so I can get light because it's
Okay.
kind of dark right here.
Okay.
So, let's see. Let's kind of find somewhere.
All right.
Inside.
All right, we'll go inside.
All right, so matter of fact, let's go a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit more light. A little more lighter. No, we just. All right, yeah, too long. Just trying to find somewhere well lighted. All right, so Tim. All right, so the biggest question is $1 million question. What's the cost?
Okay, so the cost on it, we're actually putting it up on the market for $125.
Okay.
Which is actually comparable to a lot of the properties that have been sold in this area. And I also think that that'll be a very good price for anyone that's looking to invest back into the city of Birmingham. The whole goal is to revitalize Birmingham, and one of the places that we're starting is Ansley. With H&H, they have their project that they're doing, Revitalize Birmingham, and this is just one of a slew of properties that we're trying to take hold of Birmingham, get people back in it, have them enjoy the city as it used to be.
All right, so what's tell me a little bit about yourself. Well, how you got into,
So my name is Jay
realtor.
Halsey. I'm a realtor. I've been a realtor for, going on 2 years.
Okay.
I'm with EXP Brokerage, and I took this project because one of the things that I'm passionate about are the people of Birmingham and making sure that their needs are met and making sure that this city gets the just due that it deserves. I mean, we're talking about from civil rights all the way up until now. And we have a house that's historic. This predates even civil rights. We're back in 1906, right?
Okay.
So now we can actually take a piece of history and give it back to the public. I mean, what better notion is that?
Well, I'll be remiss not to ask the question while we're sitting here doing an open house. What questions do you have for people that's thinking about buying a home in the midst of this, coronavirus pandemic?
Sure.
What advice would you give to them?
First thing that I would tell them, make sure that you pay your bills on time. It's so pivotal and vital, especially if you're looking to purchase or to sell or anything like that, because you want to make sure that you have buying power. So the name of the game is get pre-approved, find a realtor. And so what I would like to accent to people is, even though right now it looks crazy, there's a lot of activity on the market going on. Right now we have a lot of sellers that are selling, and we have a lot of buyers that are buying. So you don't have to be nervous or concerned about if it's a bad market to buy or sell in. Put your house on the market.
Okay.
Go buy it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So if they would like to reach you, what's your contact information?
So you can reach me at jayhalseyrealtor@gmail.com. You can reach me on Instagram at jaytherealtor. And I'm also on Facebook at JM Halsey. And that's pretty much all my contact information. Also, you can contact me on my cell phone at 205-542-1862. Whenever it's convenient for you, I'd love to help you guys out.
All right, well, Jay, thank you for giving us this little virtual open house. And I guess before I end, any questions on Facebook, Joseph? Anybody asking? So thank you all again, and check out what'shappenedbirmingham.com for more videos. And we'll probably be doing more of these, y'all, since, the pandemic, you can't come do the virtual open,
Right.
open house in person. So we'll bring it to you. So thank you all again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.